Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate AI photos using your photos in CapCut PC. Select AI Stylize and select AI Effects and press Allow. Type in the prompt here. I'm going to just do it randomly and you can choose from these styles as well. I'm just going to select this, for instance. I don't know if I can generate any more, but I'm going to press generate here. Also, you do have to sign in, so I'll just do that real quick. And I'm going to select generate, and it's going to take some time to generate. You can also type in your own prompts, but I'm just going to let CapCut type in the prompt for me, and it's going to generate. It will take a few minutes, and you'll only have a few trials to do so, like a few times to do this if your account is free. So I'll be right back with the finished product. And this is the final result. Sorry, I don't know what happened. This is the final result. You have some options to choose from. I quite like the second one. You can also edit the strength and regenerate, but I'm not going to do that because it will erase my free uses. Then I'm just going to select apply, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!